This is how certain microorganism reacts to different chemicals. Bleach instantly kills all bacteria, pathogens, microorganisms in the solution. It creates an exploding effect. And you'll see how their membranes will dissolve in bleach. There you go. There you can see their membranes dissolving in bleach. So this is under the objective lens, 10 times magnification, and you see as the bleach comes in, all organisms are beginning to die. It has literally dissolved these microorganisms, bacteria, in an instant. It's like it's very potent in fighting against these microorganisms. So here you see another close-up of the organisms dying. This is in the dish soap. So when we add dish soaps to microorganisms, this is what happens to them. See? Instantaneous, as if there's an atomic explosion on a micro level. Now dissolve. Completely diluted. Now let's see some of the effects of salt. What if we add pure salt in water? It is undergoing an osmotic pressure caused by a hypnotic condition. This is how cells shrinks as the water flows through its membranes. It will shrink and die. Here we'll just speed up a little bit. And here is another happy colony of bacteria and pathogens. And we are going to add hydrogen peroxide, 3% to the solution, to this happy colony of bacteria. Let's see what happens. And see, instantaneously they're going crazy. And they're all gone in a flash. So all of these chemicals are highly effective in eradicating bacteria and viruses, pathogens, parasites. So hydrogen peroxide 3%, this is how it kills pathogens, microorganisms or bacteria, whatever you want to call it. So it's like they've started to go in circles. And now we see a colony of bacteria completely wiped off map. So is there another massive colony? And we are going to introduce isopropyl alcohol to this. And see how fast it reacts with these viruses and bacteria. Oh. And again, the organism starts to go in circles in the first place, and then they will completely die. There you see this going in circles, and almost all the germs are dead now. There we see a tardigrade completely ineffective. Now let's try with sodium bicarbonate, that's baking soda, and here we see a colony of pathogens, and boom, they're all gone.